25 professions. A person who builds houses is called.
A builder.
A person who acts in movie is called.
An actor.
Very good. A person who teaches a student is called.
A teacher.
A person who writes book is called.
An author.
A person who sings song is called.
A singer.
Very good. A person who paints picture is called.
A painter.
A person who drives a taxi is called.
A taxi driver.
A person who bakes bread is called.
A baker.
A person who takes photographs is called.
A photographer.
A person who repairs car is called.
A mechanic.
A person who catches criminals is called.
A police officer.
Very good. A person who treats sick people is called.
A doctor.
A person who gives medicine is called.
A pharmacist.
Very good. A person who grows crops is called.
A farmer.
A person who flies aeroplane is called.
A pilot.
A person who puts out fire is called.
A firefighter.
A person who plays music is called.
A musician.
Very good. A person who designs building is called.
An architect.
A person who serves food in restaurant is called.
A waiter or waitress.
A person who sews clothes is called.
A tailor.
A person who cuts hair is called.
A barber.
A person who nurses patient is called.
A nurse.
A person who manages money is called.
An accountant.
An accountant. A person who studies animals is called.
A zoologist.
A person who catches fish is called.
A fisherman.
A person who catches fish is called.
A fisherman. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Till then, bye bye.